simple tech tips. Today we'll learn how to delete a plugin. There are two ways that you can delete a plugin. You can either delete it from the plugin sections. You can just click delete and then select OK and then it will delete it. Okay, this is the easy one. However, sometimes you may want to delete the plugin from your cPanel. So in order to do that, you have to log into your cPanel first. And then from there, you have to click the File Manager. From there, you have to select the website. In this case, it is WP Vendor. We'll just scroll and select it. And then from there, you will be able to see different types of files and folders. Select the WP content. And from there, go to the plugins section. We wanted to delete the classic editor, but we did not delete it from the plugin section. So we'll just delete it from here. So select it, then click delete. You have the option to permanently delete the files. In this case, that's what we will do. Select it and click confirm. Okay. Now let's go to the plugin section and refresh it. You'll be able to see that the classic editor is not here anymore. It's gone. So this is how you delete plugin, either from the dashboard or you can delete it from the cPanel, whichever is easier for you. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.